Hello class, we are going to work through the Career Services and Internship activity as part of this module of major and career exploration. The Career Services and Internships is a department on campus, and they do a lot of career readiness for students. They help you with your resume and cover letter and practice interviews. They also provide a lot of internship possibilities that you can incorporate into your program so that you gain some real life experience and possibly a potential career that you are interested after graduation. And then it gives you that kind of real life experience, but at the same time it really lets you see what that job is like on the day-to-day. Okay, I put the link to the website, but again, I think it's fairly easy just to go to the main web page, type in the search bar, Career Services and Internships, and it'll bring you to the link where that page is housed. What we're looking for particularly on that website is this icon right here that says, what can I do with this major? And we'll be able to do just that. Look at particular majors that we identified as interest from our search activity on the academic bulletin. And we're going to take our top 2 favorites and we're going to look up what you can do with that particular major that you found an interest on the academic bulletin. Okay, so this is the main page of Career Services and Internships, and like I said, at the very bottom of the page you'll have to scroll down. It has a big world there, and you can click on that world of what can I do with this major, and it will bring you to a page where a home page where you can click on View All Majors, and then it'll list all many different types of majors, not just one that we have at USI. Okay, each major will have a little block as you scroll down. Find the ones that you want to review, and then click on that. And I have chosen Communication Studies. So on this page, it is many pages of this, right? There's an area of business, there's employers for that, and there's strategies for getting jobs in that area. But there's not just business area. There is public relations and advertising, there is media, there's nonprofit, government, law, and higher education are all areas that communication studies majors can end up going into. And as I said earlier, this is not all encompassing, right? So could you have a communication studies career and go into one that's not mentioned here? Absolutely. But this is sort of getting you used to thinking how degrees, how they are applied to careers, how they apply to job searches, and maybe opens your mind up a little more to what a particular degree can do for you after graduation. So this is this particular module. What I want you to walk away from here is, from this experience, is that you are able to take 2 of your majors from the academic bulletin that you identified and look them up just to see what kinds of occupations are available for that program. And then, were there any surprises that you found as you looked through different areas of business and employers for that major? And then sort of describe why in your personal journey through all this, things that you discovered. If you could just jot those down, and we're going to share all of these little questions through all of our activities in one posting on Blackboard. All right.